along with me as I show you how to make the bouquet wrapper or holder for your chocolate covered strawberries. Since I'm just making a mini bouquet, I'm using a cardstock paper and cutting off both top corners to create the center peak of my bouquet. Then for the second layer, I'm gonna fold one tissue paper, hamburger style, but fold it a little bit offset, and then fold that slightly over to create 4 peaks. Next, using double-sided tape, I'm gonna secure down my cardstock paper and basically wrap that up by folding over the tissue paper. Next, I'm going to roll it up to the desired size of the bouquet. To add an even more girly flair, I added an outer layer of a holographic cellophane wrapper. All I did was match up the peaks, roll it up, and secure it with some double-sided tape. I'm going to do is create little personalized gift tags for each of the bouquets. Did you know that hand lettering was actually the start to my YouTube channel? If you're interested to learn a little bit more about it, visit my hand lettering playlist. I'll have it linked in the description box below. The next thing I'm going to work on are my chocolate covered strawberries. I've made a handful of videos about this, so if you want to learn a little bit more or some tips and tricks, I'll leave those links in the description box below. I was able to teach or inspire some of you in today's video. You can easily support my channel by subscribing and hitting that notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to inspiring you in future videos. And happy Girls' Day!